Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are in a good health and good spirit. So today in my video I am going to show you that how to delete my Facebook page permanently on mobile phone. So open the Facebook. So this is my Facebook. Actually, we create lots of Facebook pages for some reasons, and in later we don't know how to delete Facebook page from our account, and later we don't know how to delete my Facebook page. Actually, in that time we need to delete my Facebook page. So if you don't know, I will show you the easiest process to deleting your Facebook page. Then don't worry, in this video I am going to show you the process how to delete my Facebook page easily. So before starting the process, I will ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and also like this video. Firstly, you will need to go to the Play Store and make sure that your Facebook is updated. So my Facebook is not updated, so you have to update it. So just after updating, you have to click on the open option. So you have to click on three dot lines, so click on it and then click on see more. This is page, so click on it and then you have to click on that page which you want to delete. So this is the page, so you have to click on the switch option. After switch this page, you have to click on three dot lines, so this is, click on it. So scroll it and then click on the setting and privacy. So click on setting and click on the page setting. So find out the delete page option. So if the delete option is not here, just go back and in search setting bar you have to write or type the delete tag objects page information. So click on it. So after clicking on it, first is deactivate page and delete page. So I want to delete my page on my mobile phone, so click on delete page option. So then click on the continue. It asks to give the reason why you deleting the page, so I don't want to notify any reason, so just click on continue option. You can see that this is permanently delete page. So it says once the deleting process begins, you won't be able to reactive your page or retrieve any its content. So you can download your information, transfer your information. If I don't want to download my information or transfer, so just click on continue option. So you have to enter your password. So I entered my Facebook page password. So after it, you have to click on continue option. Facebook, your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. So after reading this, you have to click on continue option. So there is something to be noticed. The following page will be deleted and you will switch to this. You can create within 30 days by logging in as and going to account setting. So just click on the delete page. So click it.
Space and your page will be delayed.
So your page is gone. So click on three dot lines and then click on see more and in pages. You can see that there is no page of. So thank you for watching my video, and after this if you face any kinds of problems or hurdles, then let me know. I will try my best to assist you. Thanks.